Channel Quick Learning. So now our topic of presentation is what is data, its types with the help of an example and the sources of data. So before starting, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So what is data? So basically data describes figures and facts. It may consist of one entry or a collection of different values. So digging deeper, the Latin root of the word data means something given. So basically it is a Latin word which means something given or a piece of a larger picture. So data must apply to a context or a reason to do something about it. It shows up in a raw, unprocessed and unorganized form. So data example. So for you guys, this is very easy example to understand. For example, we can use J. Smith 123 King Street, London, UK, and cell number is given. So the commas represent each separate fact that may or may not be related to others. So this is data. This is a very simple example of data. So now types of data. So basically there are two types of data, qualitative and quantitative. So in quantitative means the data that can be measured with numbers such as a duration or a speed. And a qualitative data means non-numerical data that is categorical such as yes, no, responses or eye color. So in quantitative further we have two types, discrete and continuous. Discrete means whole numbers that can't be broken down such as a number of items. And continuous mean numbers that can be broken down such as height or weight. Then continuous data has further two types, interval and ratio. So interval means the numbers with known differences between variables such as time, and ratio means the numbers that have measurable intervals whereas difference can be determined such as weight or height. So in qualitative we have further two types, nominal and ordinal. So nominal means data used for naming variables such as hair color. And ordinal means data that is used to describe the order of values such as 1 is equal to happy, 2 is equal to neutral and 3 is equal to unhappy. So this is a very summarized slide for you people. It includes the types of data, their further classification, all the definitions with the help of the example. Then big data resources. So these are the sources of data. Number one is legacy documents, then we have media, cloud, web, Internet of Things, databases, social network profiles, social influencers, activity generated data, data warehouse appliances, and networking and industry monitoring technologies. So these are the big sources of data. The small sources can be your friend, your relative, or any your document, internet. All these are the sources of data. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like and share my video. Thank you.